Hey, how's it going? David Mazzarella with eXp Realty here, bringing to you the Fairway Collection at Lago Mar from Lennar. We've got some exciting things going on. Lennar's offering some fantastic buyer incentives currently through the rest of the year. So can't wait to share those with you in a moment. But first, let's go and check out this Cantaron floor plan. So first and foremost, I absolutely love the elevated height of the door here, right from the get-go, right from the front. So everything about this home is just screams space. Lots and lots of room here. Super tall ceilings throughout. So the extra wide hallway as well, it just opens right up, right from the start. So you can head over to the left, you have a couple bedrooms. Entry closet here behind me as well. Even in the bedrooms, they lifted the ceilings up there. You see that? And these homes do come, Lennar is offering the blinds as part of it, garage door opener as part of the package. Check out the other bedroom here. A little bit, feels like a little bit larger space in here, a little bit more square footage, but again, those super tall ceilings. Even the bathroom has tons of space, look at that. All right, head on down through here. And again, it just opens up. You have this office space, awesome room in there. The double French doors. And it kind of spills into the living room. Look at that. Love the ceramic tile. Wood floors there. Oversized island, breakfast bar. 42-inch painted cabinets with crown molding. Gorgeous backsplash. A massive dining room area here too. Super cool. Lots of natural light. Just floods the home with light. Outdoor canopy area for your cookouts. Sit outside and enjoy the breezes that come through here. Here's your master suite. Light and bright. Plenty of room for a king set. Room to walk around. I absolutely love the master as well. The master bath. Check this out. Look at the size of that shower. That's just beautiful. The entrance is right over here. Double vanity sink. Plenty of space, oversized mirror. And check this out. So you have this oversized closet here, which I've been in some homes where this would qualify as a bedroom alone. But it also has its own doorway to the utility laundry room. So you don't need to walk the laundry all the way around. Of course, you know, for everybody else, they come through the hall here. Super cool. All right, so as I mentioned, this was the Cantaron from Lennar Builders here in Lago Mar. This one is a 2,548 square foot home, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2-car garage. And some of the incentives that Lennar is currently offering for any home sales here through the rest of the year, we have that they are giving all the appliances minus washer and dryer. They're including the blinds, full sod all the way around, up to 3% towards closing costs. They will pay the owner's title policy, and then they are also going to buy down your rate down to 4.25 for FHA or VA loans. That's right, 4.25 for FHA and VA loans. And if you're going conventional, they'll be able to get it down to 4.5. So some amazing stuff that they're offering here for buyers to help you get into your home, either your first home or your next home here in Lago Mar. If you have any questions about the product they offer, some of the other floor plans or anything like that, feel free to message me in the comments or send me a DM or whatever. Get in touch with me. Happy to help.